organized can change your whole life. I don't have a ton of time. I've got 3 little kids running around, and so everything has to be fast and super easy to access. Hey everyone, I'm Steph from the Secret Slob channel. Today I'm sharing with you my real life organization tips, tricks, and hacks. The first thing I want to show you is my entryway. So a huge pain point for my family and a lot of families is when we come in the door, we've got our arms loaded down with stuff and we just want to dump it all on the ground. We were making a huge mess at our entryway in our last house. So when we moved into this house, I wanted to figure out a way to keep things streamlined, easy, super open visual, and also so everybody in our family could help put things away. So the solution for us was putting in these custom mudroom cubbies. We actually built them ourselves and they're just made out of plywood and 2x10 planks. It was super simple and it's made a world of difference. I love having the 4 separate compartments. When we built them, I only had 2 kids, so there was one for everyone in our family. Now my 2 girls share, but also the hooks at different levels. So for the adults, the hooks are up high, and then for the kids, they're down low. The other thing I really like is the shoe storage. There's almost nothing worse than tripping over shoes every time you come in the door. So this is our shoe storage. It's not fancy by any means. We usually just chuck our shoes underneath the cubbies, but we always know exactly where they are, where to find them, and they're not scattered all over the house. So because we live in Canada, we need a ton of outdoor gear. So I keep all of our current season stuff out on the hooks. Right now it's summer, so I've got rain gear and maybe a light sweater for everyone, my purse, and then our shoes and some sandals. In winter, I put all of that stuff completely away. There's no reason to have it out. I don't want to see it. It's just going to get in my way. So I put it all away. And so up top, you can see we have winter stuff stored. So when winter comes, I'll bring those bins down, switch everything out, and then everything I need for that season is right there, ready for me to use. If you have a regular entryway closet and you're finding it's always cluttered, you can't find things, you're forgetting to hang things up, everything's just getting thrown on a chair at the entryway, which is what we were doing, a really great solution is to hang hooks right at your entryway. So when you come in, you can hang your coat up, you're not throwing it on the ground or throwing it over a chair. It's a super simple solution for people who like to see exactly where their stuff is. The next space I created in our house to conquer my messy disorganization problem is this drop zone. Again, I like to see what I have. I've got my bills, iPad, masks. We need that right now. I keep my sunglasses in here, gum, everything I need to head out the door in a hurry is right here and easy to find. I do have to clear this space at least once a day because it does tend to collect a lot of clutter, but it solves the issue of piling things on our kitchen counters or our kitchen table so we can keep those spaces usable. Everything is open, ready for me to use and easy to see, and it makes such a difference in my life. All right, welcome to my kitchen. As you can see, I love bright colors. I know the trend right now is white on white, but I just couldn't resist when I saw this bright blue tile. It just brings me so much joy to have this bright pop of color in my kitchen. When we first moved in here, there were cupboards all the way along the top, but I felt like I couldn't find anything and everything was closed in. So we switched them out for this open shelf and I absolutely love it. I love having all the things I'm using out and easy to grab. The only stipulation I had for having the open shelves was that I did want to have pretty cups and glasses that all kind of matched. These are the only cups we have in our house, aside from a few odd travel mugs and maybe a couple more wine glasses for if we had a party, but it just keeps things really easy. The less stuff you have, the less stuff you have to clean. Another place in my kitchen I've set up so that it's super easy to use is when I'm cooking. So when I'm standing at the stove, I have all of my cooking utensils on the left in this drawer here. It might look like a hot mess, but I have tried so many times using fancy divided organizers and they don't work for me. This system of throwing everything in one drawer keeps it easy and simple for me to grab the things I need and also clean up after dinner. The only caveat to this is you do have to keep your items to a minimum or it can turn into a sloppy mess pretty quickly. The other drawer I want to show you is my spice drawer. So for years I would keep my spices in a cupboard and they'd be stacked like 5 or 6 deep. I could never find anything, things were going bad at the back. So when we designed this kitchen, we did all drawers on the bottom so everything is really visible, open. I keep it in alphabetical order to make it even faster to find things. This is probably my most organized drawer in my entire house, but it makes a huge difference when you're in a hurry to get something on the table for dinner. All right, so here is my bedroom, another really great place to get organized, because when you're getting ready in the morning, the last thing you wanna do is have to search through all your stuff to find the clothes that you wanna wear, your hairbrush, any makeup you wanna put on. So I have a system that streamlines all of that and makes it super simple. So this is my closet where I keep the majority of my clothes. I like to have them all open, out where I can see them. You can see I love to wear color. I keep all the grays over here, and the rest of it is all color, and then I keep them separated by type. So I have t-shirts down here, long sleeve shirts, and then sweaters over here. It makes it super easy to pick out an outfit in the morning because I can just decide what color I feel like wearing and then just go from there. If you don't have a walk-in closet, just take the doors off your regular closet and you'd be surprised how nice it can actually look. You'll always be able to see what you have, and it'll be motivation to keep it clutter-free, because if you're looking at it all the time, you won't want it to be a big mess. The next area in my home where I like to streamline with organization is my bathroom vanity. I do like to wear makeup in the morning, but at a minimum, I wash my face, put on deodorant, brush my hair, and just get ready. My biggest hack for keeping things fast, easy, and simple is have everything that you use every single day visible, so you can just grab and go. If you have an item in there that's special or you only use it once in a while, keep that in a separate area. If you're not using it every day, it doesn't need to be in your everyday bin. So I keep it divided by things I need. So I've got my teeth stuff, hair stuff, and then Q-tips. All of my makeup I keep here, all my face care stuff here, and then I sometimes do a mask. So I guess I lied a little bit. I don't always use the masks, but all of this stuff I use every day. Everything else is kept away in makeup bags, and if I need to find it for a special occasion, I can. A really easy way to make this work in your home if you don't have a ton of space is pick out the items you're using every single day and keep them in their own bin or in one makeup bag. Everything else can stay in a separate makeup bag or a separate bin. It can go in a closet, it can go in another drawer, but keeping them separate means not having to dig through the stuff you're not using every day to find the stuff you are. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you found some inspiration to get your systems streamlined and organized. This video was inspired by my friend Cass over at Clutterbug, whose second season of her show Hot Mess House is premiering tonight on HGTV. If you're looking for more organizational tips and tricks, head over to her website. She has all the systems nailed down. I will talk to you very soon. Bye.